The Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the program and the product. You just need to make the call. Yes, they've got the bank statement loans. They've got jumbo loans. They do have the payment assistance program. All of them. Just give us a call, 800-306-1990. The team's standing by, ready to help. Let's take a look at the markets. The S&P 500 now down 3.20. The 10-year Treasury is down 7 basis points, 2.68 is where we're sitting right now. Mortgage-backed securities up 6 basis points. Remember, when the bond goes up, rates go down. When rates go up, the bond itself goes down. That's just the way it works. So the bond is up 6 basis points. And Freddie Mac, every week on Thursday morning, Freddie Mac comes out and they give us their mortgage market survey. They came out this morning and gave us their survey number for this week, 4.99%. You have to pay 8/10 to get it. But wait a second, Ron, you tell us every day. OBMMI, they provide the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions. What are they saying rates actually locked at, being that Freddie Mac says 4.99? Oh, wait a second. The rates actually locked yesterday at 5.448. That was up 12 basis points. 30-year jumbos locked at 5.472. FHA 5.408. In those rural areas, the USDA loan locked at 5.374. And the best loan on the market, it's for those that earned it. The 30-year VA loan, that locked yesterday at 5.124. So where do you come up with the number of 4.99? Well, it's Freddie Mac. It's a government entity. They announce these things Thursday mornings, but they collect the data from Monday through Wednesday. Most of the lenders that answer the surveys, they do it first thing Monday so they can get it off their desk. So it's, even though it sounds like it's current, it's outdated. But why is all of this happening? That's the real key, is why is it happening? Well, the big issue is contrary to what the federal government wants you to think, contrary to what the Federal Reserve people have told you over the last few days, and I've highlighted those. If you want to see them, go back to prior shows. We got a problem. We are in a recession. Yes, I know that the NBER has not called it a recession. They'll do that in about 5 or 6 months. Isn't that special? We won't know about it till we're probably out of it, maybe, unless we go another spending bill of maybe another $700 billion or something like that. But here's the issue. The government's been saying that you can't have a recession when you've got such great employment. Other than every recession in history, that's exactly when you do have a recession, is when unemployment is at the very lowest numbers. But let's go forward looking. Initial jobless claims measures individuals filing unemployment benefits for the very first time, increased again by 6,000 to 260,000, a 4-week moving average, which removes some of the noise because it is a bit of an average. That's up again. We're at highest rates of jobless claims for the year, so some of them are going back even to November. Continuing claims measures those who continue to receive benefits after their initial claims, rose 48,000 to 1.4 million, the highest level since the beginning of April. And tomorrow, we get the jobs report. That's the BLS jobs report. Market is expecting 250,000 job creation. Remember last month. So last month we came out, BLS said we had 300,000 jobs created, but the household survey where they actually pick up the phone and call someone, well, they said we lost 300,000 jobs. Which one's right? Do you want to believe the government or when they pick up the phone? I'll just leave that out there for you to figure out. So we'll see what happens. They're expecting the unemployment numbers to stay the same. We will see tomorrow, but that will have a effect on what maybe they're going to have to start telling us the truth about a recession, because we already know that the forward-looking number, the JOLTS report, 600,000 less job openings, 1.2 million less over the last 3 months. Walmart announced they're laying people off. Amazon's announced that they're laying people off. And we got a great economy and a great job situation, according to the federal government. Thank goodness you're listening to Ron Siegel Radio, where you're actually getting real information.
You know better than that.
Absolutely. That's the Mortgage Minute, brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial. When you're ready for that next home loan, Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990.